Hi, Firestarter here, and welcome to my review of the SHF Figuarts GREEED Ankh Lost Ankh, to cut it short. And we have here the exclusive box, and let's open the thingy. Let's just shake it to get it out of the box. Come on. Hey, and we have here Ankh Lost Ankh. So we have here the box. It says here GREEED Ankh Lost, and we have here the SHF Figuarts blurb, some of the familiar look and feel for all the Kamen Rider O's figures. You have here the Bandai Collector Shop logo, Toy, Kamen Rider O's, Tamashii Nations, Bandai, the blurb, GREEED Ankh Lost here, so as the other side here, and the back, some of the features and details that would be included on this SHF Figuarts exclusive figure. Now, without further ado, let's open this and let's see what it looks like. In cluttered accessories, we have here the Tamashii. He came with the Tamashii stage. It didn't have any marks that says this is Kamen Rider O's Ankh figure. So we have medals, just like the Ankh stand set. We'll just need to plug those in on the stand, and then voila. Of course, it included some of the bits and pieces to complete the stage. And we have here shoulder, wing sets, sort of, that you need to plug in. And these are really identical to each other, or at least the opposite of one another. So it doesn't matter where you place these feathers on, it would still be the same effect, and it would still have the same look and feel. We have two different hands for his left hand, just like Ankh. Quite shiny and really nicely detailed. See, there's one and there's two. And there's another one for the right hand for the lost part of Ankh. Underneath, it's smooth. And we have here the last set that you place on top, or at the back, I mean at the back of Ankh, just to complete the whole thing. And he has the gradient lines, I mean colors, just like what he is on the show. So the theme is still there, with feather accessories all over. And here, to complete the thing, is like chicken something feathery shoulder accessory, just to complete the whole thing. I mean, to complete the whole look for Ankh. So that's it. That's basically it. Simple and not so many accessories. Let's move over to Ankh. And we have here the naked Ankh, because I haven't placed the accessories yet, but most of the articulation points are very familiar because of the same make, almost the same make as Kamen Rider O's, with a bit of color and nice accents on each part. Articulation points would be head, upper torso, shoulder, waist articulation. He also has this belt, just like the other GREEEDs. Kind of reminds you of Kamen Rider Ichigo. And we have here the same arm, but it's on the left side. The Ankh that we knew is the right hand. And we have here swivels and joints on the hip, double joints here. The legs looks like Kamen Rider O's Tajadol combo, so with a slight of greedness to it. So it has a slight difference in terms of the paint apps and look and feel. Overall, just like other GREEED figures, this one is also done well, with nice paint apps and accents all over the body. So it's pretty cool. And here at the back we have a additional joint here for, I don't know why, probably because you can move the wings, I don't know. Let's move over in completing Kamen Rider O's, not really Kamen Rider O's, let's complete Ankh. So all you gotta do is just peg everything in here. Now we have the first layer of feathers to complete the shoulders, and then let's place these wings on. There's a hole here and peg, so you know the drill. It's a bird! No, it's a plane! And to top it off, let's place the, I don't know, neck accessory. And to secure, just plug that in to Ankh. Now it feels like the neck joint is slightly overwhelmed by the accessory here on top. That's why there are slight hindrances on the head articulation, but that won't give you that much of a problem when you try to move him in different ways. So to be sure, as you can feel a snap when you place this accent in, then you are ready to go. So that's all about Ankh. Well, the only reason why I only got Ankh from all the Greed collection is because this character is more significant to me on the process, or at least how the story goes. And then I'm also planning to, as I mentioned on my vlog, I think I'm planning to get the Complete Ankh 2 just to compare them side by side, because they have a different look, or at least, well, I need to see the complete look for Ankh. Well, that's the whole point of getting Lost Ankh and Ankh Complete in my opinion. So far, I'm enjoying having Lost Ankh with me. So if you have the purchasing power to get one, I not really recommend, but it's nice to have him in Tajadol combo and the other Ankh, since I also have a different set of Ankh handsets with me. So I really like to compare them and have them together, because I really do love some of the O's figures. Kamen Rider O's as an SHF is not, I mean, the whole complete line is not that great, but like I mentioned on my 15 best SHF for 2011, the greeds are really well done, and I'm really enjoying, at least with my Lost Ankh. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my blogspot for the full written review. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more reviews, upcoming reviews and whatnots in this channel. So this is Firestarter. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next review.